Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look at and install these bull ring truck bed anchors. I did a lot of research on these things before picking them up, and these really seem like the best option. What I really like is, as you can see, when they're sitting there in the truck bed, they're essentially flush. Then you pull them out, it locks into place, and you can tie your straps or whatever you have on there. So I bought the 9-pack, so you get 3 on each wall. I will put links down below if anyone's interested in picking these up. The ones that I got are specifically for Silverados, GMC Sierras, and Colorados and Canyons. So they do have ones for other models though. So we removed the little plastic plug. We're going to install one of our bull rings. First thing we need to do is take this screw completely out. Then you're going to place just that plastic piece there. You're going to leave the metal piece on your hand side. So stick it in there like that, let it go all the way to the top, and then the bottom portion of that metal clip is going to go into the hole. See the metal clip? And then let the top part fall in there. So then you got that whole plate back there. Then just pull your ring up and get your screw back in. And there you go. Now just do it 8 more times. All 9 bull rings installed. Should only take you like a minute to do each one. Really quick and easy. Looks a lot better, and of course adds a bunch of functionality to your truck, giving you a bunch of points to tie to. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and like I said, there will be links down below if you want to get your own bull rings.